hella shameless. Necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sandra, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style and install this $15 synthetic hair. I'm so happy that I'm doing another hair video, and this time around it's a short hair. So by the way guys, how you guys are doing? Hope you guys are well. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. In a few seconds we are going to get into the full details about this hair. So this hair is cute, it's so light and it's giving life. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, hit that red button down, like you know what I mean. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's just dive right straight into the video. So guys, this is how the hair comes like. It does comes with this net at the front. Guys, look at the pattern. It's so neat. You can't even tell that this hair is synthetic hair. So the hair comes with a wig cap and also with a makeup brush. So this is how the inside look like. It has this elastic that you can use to adjust it. So it does comes with a pin that you can use to, you know, hold it to your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off and also give it a little touch. Let's see how this hair is going to come up on my hair. So guys, this is how the hair looks right now. I've already cut out those front section at the front, like those nets at the front. I did that out of camera because I'm not so perfect. I don't want to I don't want to spoil it. Like, I don't want to spoil the hair, so that is why I have to do that out of camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, you know, kind of switch this part into side part because I think I prefer side parts. So yeah, I think I prefer side part, and I kind of love the way this side is kind of longer than this side, you know, that crazy style. I don't really do anything in this hair, guys. You can see how the hair looks nice and neat. Even with that price, I'm kind of still shocked. Like, it's so nice and beautiful. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of stretch it out. I'm not going to be using glue, guys. I guess we all know why I don't like using glue on my hair. If you are new here and in case you don't know why I don't like using glue, just try to check other of my hair video and you're going to know the reason why I don't like using glue. Yeah, I prefer to just leave it like this, and in case maybe I want to remove it, it will be more easier for me to remove. So yeah, that is how I just like to do my thing.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
Guys, look at this. I'm not even sure with this hair, like I'm falling already. You see that?
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you do.
So this is the final look of the hair. As you guys can see, I did not do anything much in this hair, no glue, no gel, and the hair looks so flat on my hair. This is an easy hair that you can easily just pick up while rushing to somewhere or anything like that. I must tell you, this hair is not looking bad at all in that price. Like, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to put the link down below. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one.